Here comes trouble. What we doing, Mr. Finn? Hey, Finny. This is one of the oldest horses we have here. He's about 25, maybe. And, well, where did this butt come from? Can I help you? Those two are buddies. Magneto and Finn. They are together 24/7. Fabian came up here because he wants me to scratch his ass. You're rude. Be nice to Molly. Fabian, you're going to step on me. You back up. Back. 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 Good boy. Whoop. You're pretty smart. Are you ready? Come on. Back. Back. Hey. Back up. Back. 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 Whoa. Yeah. He's smart. He's a smarty pants. Aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, and I know it. Now if I go over here to try to pet Finn, this is when all hell breaks loose. Hey, Finn. Hey, buddy. Oh, no. Fabian's not going to come pick on you today. He's a good old boy. Yeah, I like some lovin's too. I like some lovin's too. Huh. Yes. Yeah. Looks pretty good for his age. No denying that. Huh. Says, yeah. I'm spoiled too. There's Magneto, who probably won't let me get within 10 feet of him, and he's gonna run. Hey, buddy. Number one pet peeve, horses you can't catch. Whoop. Whoop. Whoop.